Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Senor Taco here, Mr. Taco, just Taco, and today I've got some footage for you guys to see that I recorded a while back. So it's now that the Mario movie is going to be coming out soon, hopefully you guys appreciate it. I made a Wario Key for my brother, so I'm just going to show you guys the video. Hope you guys like it. All right.
Alright, so you guys, I've been making little miniature like keyboard key thingies. That's supposed to be a Wario. But I don't know if you guys can see the ugly. Here, let me try to get my magnifying glass. Hopefully that'll make it a little easier for you guys to see. There he is. There he is. Yeah, so I still need to finish up his hat. But as you guys can see, that's the ugly on the top of a toothpick. Then I got the body right there. It's gonna be a really fat, long Wario, and I'm gonna put him inside these keys right here, which is, as you guys can see, that I've been making without the glare. Hopefully it'll look a little better. But that's my Gengar key. I made a really nice steampunk one. And then these two right here. This is my Onyx for my O, and my little itty bitty Pikachu. So let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna try to finish making this one. Oh, there was the other Pikachu that I made. There's Pikachu surfing on a surfboard, and there's the island, and there's the new revamped Pikachu one right here. I just need to he looks like Ditto evolved into Pikachu, or transformed into Pikachu. There's the Onyx, made out of real rocks. And once again, the Gengar right there. It has little pebbles and stuff that glow in the dark. But yeah. Okay, so here we have his body, made from some toothpicks. And a bead, essentially. I've already painted his hands white. You just can't really, oh, maybe you can see. And yeah, I just need to finish up his stomach, putting on his legs, and he should be done soon. So like, I thought I was done with him, but I guess not, because I forgot to paint his legs. So he's got like nasty like shorts, I guess. Trying to focus him right now. Yeah, he looks god awful. It's super nasty. Oh my god. I'll show you guys a better view of him once I finish him. Look at his ugly feet. Ew. Yeah. So he's almost done. Ew. Yeah, I'll show you guys the finished product, I guess. There he is. Here's a little itty bitty Wario. I want to put him in a key, and I will show you that later. But I think for today, I'm done. It's been a couple hours working on him, and I fucking got him. So I'll show you guys the finished product. I'm gonna have these little gold trinkets, like the ones inside the steampunk thing, something like that I think I'm gonna put on the background of him. And I'm gonna call it a day for today, though. So I'll finish that tomorrow, and I'll show you guys. Alright, guys. So here he is in all of his ugly. That's the one. He's god awful. Look at him. Look at how ugly he is. I put some gold in the background, and there's some coins or whatever. I don't know if you can see them very well. Some air got in there, but that's okay. He's ugly. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.